50 years. You understand the nana? Some more listening to pastor wanna say not be fake. Wanna see how pastor, the pastor that they call him, that they call the Pastor Triumph. Triumph, na be name. And in fellowship where they what did they worry this from? Where they Facebook, online fellowship, where they scam women. A lot of women where they scam. Now so he go say in they pray for them. You understand? He go say in they pray for them, where they follow them, they do all night prayer. You go come they pet them, you go come they read them, wait till their husband not they tell them for midnight. You go come they tell them before you know, you go they toast them. Now so where this woman take for your hands. He even promise this woman, you go come, we go marry. You understand? You go come, we go marry, we go do this. When the time don't they come, now when the woman don't buy ticket, may go Nigeria. Oga don't they do like this so. Now that time Oga come they talk say he get wife. Pastor. Now the name of the ministry that be this. Okay? He put that man a picture. Now the scam way they that man not they involved of waiting with the talk so. Now this other small pastor so. Now Delta State now they do this thing so. He handle for live video na for Facebook na prayer rain prophetic fellowship. Prayer rain. Please can somebody help me write it so that I can pin it. Prayer rain where they fall. Prophetic ministry fellowship. Please help me type it so that I can pin it. Every 9 o'clock. Now until they come live video, you go start to they pray. You go see our Benin people there. They go say, Pastor, pray for me. Pastor, pray for this for me. Pastor, all this online pastor, the truth of the matter, they are fake, my people. Please don't fall for it. No matter your problem. No matter your problem. Don't fall for it. It's a fake pastor. A pastor that can deceive a woman from her own marital. She just gets more marital problem. And so pastor just enter. Thank you. Don't be.
My love, please, I'm sorry.
This is the
please,
pastor.
You always hurt me so much. Look at what you have been telling me. If I'm not, I'll break the remaining small heart left with you. Why now? Why are you doing this to me?
Get some gaming.
Why are you doing this to me? Baby. No, you are my baby. You are my love now. I love you so much. Why will I didn't do anything. You hear from me before you crucify me now. I called and you didn't pick, so I had to go and charge the phone. I never knew you even called back because all my thoughts that you're already asleep. So I went to charge the phone. When you were calling, I didn't know that I was even praying. And when I saw it, I had to tie back. I think you're already asleep then.
Somebody is asking.
I'm sorry.
What is Afiokade class?
My love, I'm sorry.
Now the year pastor, my love.
You're my beauty. You're my blessing.
Afiokade class is where we teach if your coffee, your cotton.
My love,
Pinky.
You want to try my baby love.
Because the woman comes
in the world. My diamond love.
My diamond
I love you now. Please forgive me.
You say pastor know how to play love like this. I mean that one kind of money.
Yeah, human and I would definitely want you to rest. That's the truth. But I didn't pay you back that I called you, didn't call you, and calling, I will not pay. That's too childish now. Can't do that to you, not you, not you, not you. I only want to hear your voice and talk to you, so I wouldn't pick your call.
Hey, Mama.
I know, please, I'm sorry. Honestly, I'm sorry. Please, if I hurt you, I'm sorry. This is you're telling me and it's hurting me badly. I'm not sure if I will even eat today. Honestly, I'm telling you. So you tell me that I will break the remaining small parts of your heart. Instead, I will make all your heart flood instead of.
How do you join?
Small parts.
Put the information on my wall. You pay 10,000 naira.
So
then you join the class.
Every other part.
10,000 naira to join the class.
I'll repay it with my love.
6 months. 10,000 naira in 6 months every Sunday.
Your beauty, my treats. Only a fool will hurt you. My fool.
You see? 419. This pastor say only a fool will hurt you, and at the end of the day, he hurt this woman more than hurt. Baby.
Listen. Kiss you.
How can you join? Take my WhatsApp number. Call me. I will tell you how to join, my lady.
Such a beautiful breast.
The woman go talk. Yeah, I pay for the dog. I can't take there for the May I play another one?
Let me know where my child go. So now this one you want to do where you just talk, they insult you, they do all this one. Now this one you want to do. I not be that kind of person, no. I not be woman where be say he go say because of one kind dick. You can't go the fool herself or go they do what you're not supposed to do. The dick, I don't see I mean with the dick they together much more than that one. I want shock me. Something for dance, say see. Maybe you find something they do. I mean even they force you say go do this one, go do that one. You can't come, they tell me say now you want start to take care of me. Me I carry money give you.
Your money
if I don't get me, I go borrow after you. That's not they talk to person. Where the bank for years my father I get bank where they Italy and my father get the bank. I go tell this matter, I go tell somebody where CB pastor. I go explain right from the beginning to the end. I go explain. Make they tell me if this kind of thing can happen. I don't understand. That means not something that make you say me and you date. You don't marry me. You marry me. Even as me and you play. You don't ever tell me say tomorrow. Say as everything will be for official. May you don't talk about that one. That I can't go carry money give you. So that which kind of pastor you be?
Pastor, they ask for more money. I want to do this. I want to do that. I want to do this. When the woman not respond, now he confess many audio there. Now he can send one audio, can they insult the woman. Where the woman no can respond to it, call again. Where they beg and just now, okay, beg now, okay now. Because the wife of the pastor tell the pastor say never blow and at least small way they bring come. More they collect that one. Now soon yeah. No, now this one fair play.
If you be person where they reason as you claim, you upon all the insult where you don't insult me, and you don't see one tell me say I don't insult you. To the extent say me they follow me. To the extent you say the name where I put, name where they put for Facebook before I know you. That name where I put, the person money sit in my head, the bride price sit in my head. I never return out to run. Now
you yes so. Pastor the verse say why is still they carry that your husband name in the verse. Just you know how some men say they play all these women. You go say come on that man name they insult me. No say I love all those kind of trillion. No I say the trillion na you know they pay treat me like that. If you want half for nothing like yeah. Where you have women now. Now this woman they talk so say that man money still dey my head when you just they say no put in name no come on this one I say money you say you see name for there you dey vex but you know say the man money still dey my head now they talk so Veronica, don't let us fight. Go pay another 10,000. That one don't expire.
What did that one they bring their issue for? I can't understand though. This is why I tell you calculate as I don't see try for you rich. The money they block, I get you the way they take care of, eh? They are my future. I get them my responsibility.
That's
what they talk something. Even a woman want plan something better. Not be to sit down, talk and say, see. Not even tell you, to God who made me. Me talk and say before this month ending, before this December, because this December period, that is the competition they move well. I can say I go tell you that one when you talk that day, not be taken and paid. One that one when you talk, say
you hear
for that side.
You hear? You hear wetin pastors they use people wife they do. You see what and then there where now say sigamos that sigamo he almost to agbele so we he almost to agbiyan because this woman now we want go open keke and pay business for pastor another man where they toast now when they say I get fuck you your toto go red if I fuck you mona go read the message mona go read the message if we free play audio you go see where pastor they talk. The woman thought they thought say I don't run no it don't too much. Your pastor say come back here because I'm going to fuck you until your toto red. Pastor we get wife for her. The woman we money still there ahead. He never return money. He don't they open toto for pastor. This money where this woman they quarter put now say I know they block money for tree now my children money. Do you know the father of these children? If he there with this woman, he say, my wife, I beg me. Jenny, he no good. Now this one, let me they talk so. Una go say the father of una children. Hey man, not the church children money. Man, not the church children money. But by the time that man move, now that money where you say you no go shop. Now you will take back ticket for man from UK make can't do you. Now you will take back ticket for man from Nigeria go do one. See woman now for Germany. See woman for Germany. He husband just come on for her 7 months. This one not be said they say a bread price. They never return her. So women, I mean, totally at the buwala wo get we amuwa. Me I use yes. So free just take quickly talk this thing. You understand? So wait. You see, and they don't let me miss my audio. In best side. In best Chile.
My sweet love, baby. Please call me.
I don't want to hear what you want to say. Pit of hair, get of hair.
To call is not connecting. Baby, call me. I miss you. I love you so much. I don't know if you see this message and call back. I'm trying to type in prayer point that I'll post further. Clear. Much on the broadcast. I know you are very tired and the drugs you are taking is drowsy, making you look drowsy. But I love you. Know that I love you so much. Okay? My baby. If you're not asleep, you can call me.
If Chile wants to make sure, say Monica show don't pass those nonsense. Wanna guard place. Okay? I know this must be Ibechile again. Ibechichi, Ibelele. Okay, another blocking. I know it's Ibechile, so another blocking for Ibe. Ibebe, Ibechichi, Ibepuku. Oya, use the as. Now Monica, even if I resign, my injections, quiet one, silent one, still there.
My sweet love, baby. Please call. I appreciate always. I thank you. Appreciate all your efforts. making it possible of that. So I'm okay, I'm happy. So thank you. Thank you, I'm happy. Thank you for Holy Spirit. I love you so much.
That is.
Yeah, I've read your I've listened to your messages. All I could say now is I'm sorry for my imperfection, and I'm sorry for being selfish. Probably it's my mirror. Mirrors are meant to correct mistake. And let's forget about whatever has happened in the past. I don't want to go into past issues, and I really don't like issues. Especially if I'm in this kind of state. Or what I need is comfort, or what I need is someone on my side that would tell me, oh, it's not lost. Let us not argue. Argument is not good. It's not good for us. Not good for the relationship.
This is the voice. There are so many. We will play it another day. Please, the pastor is live right now. Scam. A pastor that can be played. That woman we fair court today. He said the same thing. Money. He said, leave me. I know my dad, no problem. Your man, I go make you good. I go. He take collect that woman money. Again now, this other woman also. And the pastor of this place now, if they online, if they preach, if they pray, they go say, Pastor, pray for me. He says, scam. Now lie. Please be careful, my people. Be careful. When you just see her, no, say now this scam be this. Don't be deceived. When the pastor knows, say, in with this woman don't already get problem. Yesterday, when the woman come and say, me and go watch the pastor, now she they like. The pastor come, they preach to people. Yeah, there is temptation. I can feel temptation is coming. Oh, Lord God Almighty. People pray for your pastor. You know, pastor can pass through temptation. Why? When I see that man, oh God, I say, oh my God, why pastors be like this? You already know what they go on for inside body. You already know, say, you and this woman don't quanta, and something must happen. He go church, he go they preach, temptation will soon happen to me. Temptation, attack is coming to my side. People pray for your pastor. People pray for your pastor. It's not good then, my people. Don't make my phone don't the week now. We make a network really, really bad. Okay. So, guys, we'll continue more audio. I will come and play more audio to just make sure that scam alert. Pastor, don't fall a victim, please. That do better thing for yourself.